Hello, this is Jason Kim, and today I'm probably going to talk about my computer build and my thoughts about it. Um, yeah, so it's Thanksgiving. It's there's really many Black Friday deals. So my mom was talking about some PC if I wanted to. So I have like three options. Number one is like some kind of Mac, maybe like MacBook Air, Mac Mini, like new Mac Mini with an M4 chip, or iMac. Or I could build a PC with a Windows software. And third is maybe a Vision Pro. And I would like, I really like the product Vision Pro, but I don't think it's really worth it. So it's probably not gonna be the one, but it's gonna be really cool if I have one, but probably not. So if I like talk to you about the build is gonna be the cooling fan is gonna be a Be Quiet Dark Rock Pro. Um, oh, it's loading, so I can't really talk about it. It's Be Quiet Dark Rock Pro 5 CPU air cooler, looking like this. And the next one is going to be a memory, which is Samsung 990 Pro, 1 TB. Second is going to be the graphics card, GPU. It's Asus NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Ti. It's really good. And the case is going to be Montech XR tempered glass. It's basically like a glass glass computer PC case. It's black, and the monitor is gonna be Gigabyte G34 WQC 34 2K. It's probably the refresh rate is gonna be like about. Hold on, this loading. I can't really. QHD is gonna be the refresh rate is gonna be 144 hertz. The keyboard is gonna be Logitech G213, which is a really good keyboard, a really good design. It's also black. The mouse is gonna be Logitech G520 Lightspeed, which is really good design, and the color is gonna be obviously black. The power supply is gonna be Corsair RMX series, RM850 850X, and yeah, it's really a good power supply. Besides, I don't really like the design of it, but it's alright, so I'll just go for it. The CPU is gonna be Ryzen 7700 X Raphael AM5 4.5 gigahertz, 8 core boxed, and yeah, the motherboard is gonna be Gigabyte B650 Gaming XAX Z2 AMD AM5 ATX motherboard, which is a really cool design, and I really like the specs of it. The SSD, I already talked about that, but another one is gonna be G.Skill Flare X5 series, 32 gigabytes, and it's 16 gigabytes each one, so it's gonna be 16, which is gonna be 32. And that's basically all for the Windows computer build. And that's another one that I could go for, or maybe Mac Mini M4 with like another display. Mac Mini has a really good um really good power compared to its price, which is like about $59. But I still need to buy a monitor, keyboard, and a mouse for it. And Yeah, it's pretty good. And the M4 iMac is also really good. It comes with a monitor, comes with a computer, comes with a mouse, and also a keyboard in the same color, which is really amazing. I really like it, but the power isn't. I mean, it's still good, but like it's not really worth the price. So uh, I'm not too sure. No, I'm not too sure, cause like the Windows build is probably gonna be like the best, but it costs like $2,000, so it's not really easy to talk about. So I'm not too sure. It's not 100%. I'm just talking about it. All right. Then I'll see you tomorrow. We'll see if it will actually happen tomorrow or not. So yeah, wish me luck. Bye.